Hi, this video will give you a quick introduction on how to use a pivot table in Excel 2016. A pivot table is a powerful tool when you need to summarize data in Excel so that it's easy to analyze. To get started, let's open Excel and create a new workbook. To show you how to use a pivot table, we need some data to work with. Feel free to pause the video and type out the sample data, or else you can use the starter file that I'll link in the video description below. First, you'll need to highlight the data that you need to organize by clicking and dragging until your data is highlighted. Now click on the Insert tab near the top of the application. Next, click on the pivot table at the very left. This brings up a pop-up confirming your data selection and asking you if you'd like to create the table in the same worksheet or a new one. We will select the default option of creating a new worksheet and click OK. This brings up the pivot table builder where you can drag and drop fields into the boxes below based on how you want to organize your data. In this data set, we will use the salesperson field as our rows. As you can see on the left, Excel will only show unique values, which really helps to clean up the data. Next, we will assign company as the columns. Finally, we need to select the field that contains the values for our data. In this case, this will be revenue. As you can see, the pivot table updates very quickly. Now we can easily see how much paper each salesman sold to each company. If you wanted to further break this data down by month, we can drag month of sale into the columns box and see how that updates. Now we can see how each employee's performance by month as well. Another feature of the pivot table is the filter. If we move the month of sale into the filter, we can then get a breakdown for each month. Let's see how well the office did in March by deselecting the other months in the filter above. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you learn how to use pivot tables in Excel.